Welcome to 321 Thebes Lane. This gorgeous property is located in the private golf club community called Oak Creek in Upper Marlboro. This home and this community full of amenities are a homeowner's dream. Let me show you inside. With over 4,000 square feet of living space above ground, this home is one of the largest in the community. From the spacious great room to the morning room, you have so many options for places to entertain your guests. The gourmet kitchen is upgraded with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and generous bar-style seating. Upstairs, you will find the owner's suite with a separate sitting area that leads you to your private deck. This backyard is an outdoor oasis complete with custom patio and a gorgeous wooded view.